is the 10-piece bimetal hole dozer set. So this is going to have hole size from 1.5 inches up to 4 1/4. All the key sizes, your accessories, your pilot bits, your arbors, everything that you need. So this is really a perfect starter kit for any pro user. This is great not only for people who are already in the Packout system, so they can go in, grab their hole saw kit, and add to their system, but also people who may not have any Packout, right? So they're going in looking for hole saws, they see the Packout option, now they're into the system, and they're going to be able to expand on that with all of our other solutions. So really excited about this one. Next is the 101-piece Shockwave Impact Driver Bit set. So I don't think you guys have been to accessories yet, but you're going to hear all about our new. Oh, you have? Cool. So you guys heard all about our new Shockwave Impact Duty bits, and we're really excited to bring this with the new launch of that. So this is going to have your bit holder in there, as well as 100 bits over all of your common tip types. So Phillips, Torx, whatever you need, this is really going to be your kit. So if you have bits at home or you want to continue to add to that, the low profile compact organizer is really a perfect storage solution for those smaller accessories. And this one's going to be launching in August of this year. And then last we have our 9-piece Big Hog with Carbide Teeth set. So those of you who were with us the last couple of years probably remember when we launched our new Carbide Teeth line of accessories. And Big Hog has really been a standout. It's been very successful, so we knew that there was a perfect option to team up with Packout and offer another premium kit for the market. So again, this is 2 1/8 inch up to 4 5/8, all your key sizes, everything you need. Anyone who's picked one of these up or used one of these, you know this is very heavy duty hole saw, so having that added durability of the Packout compact organizer is going to be huge for users. This is going to be launching in October this year. So again, as we continue to invest in the Packout storage system, you can expect even more accessory solutions from us